Welcome to John Wesley Convent online class for class 8 subject SS chapter 2 Secularism. Our next topic is secularism in India. India is a secular nation as it has people that belong to many different communities and follow different religion beliefs with their own set of traditions and customs. Indian constitution provides each and every citizen the freedom to practice any religion. It defines our country as a secular nation where there is no one religion that is given importance or is being promoted by the state. The state does not impose any individual in choosing and practicing any particular religion. India is a democratic country. If India gives an recognition to a religion in the majority, if it will create a big chaos in the country. It can result in domination of major religious communities on the other religious minorities and further result into discrimination and injustice. Thus our constitution, since its inception, and adopted secularism. Now we know how does Indian secularism work. Indian constitution provides different strategies to make sure that secularism in India remains intact and everyone gets freedom to choose, practice and profess any religion of their choice. So let us learn about them through some real life case study. In a particular year, two major festivals of two different religions happen to lie on the same date. For the celebration in a community, both the religious groups want the nearby playground. A group of people belonging to one religion approach the local police station asking them to favor their religion and declare that the playground will be used for their religious festivals. The policeman then tells them that it is neither ethical or permitted by the Indian constitution that the police favor one religion over the other. In India, we do not promote enforce any religion or its practice on anyone. He tells them that it has to be mutually decided and peacefully conducted, as both the festivals are important and the state does not favor any one religion. Now let's discuss one other real life case. Since the ancient times, untouchability was a practice that was followed in India among the various castes in Hindus. There was intra-religious domination. For example, the upper caste Hindus treated other lower caste people with disrespect and untouchables. Many social reformers, including Mahatma Gandhi, fought to abolish such practices. When India got independence, the makers of our constitution, including Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, believed that the independent India must not have such practices. It was one of the instances where constitution invented and abolished untouchability in India. People belonging to those castes were thus given due rights to represent themselves in elections as well. Secularism is a principle adopted by our constitution to safeguard our religious interests and fundamental rights. But its preservation and maintenance is in our hands. We live in a country where there are many different religions that are practiced together. Every religion has its own set of principles, ideas and values. Some may be common along all, but some might be very different from each other. These differences may sometimes clash with each other and create discontentment. The past and the present have witnessed many clashes among different religious groups that have turned out to be very violent.